Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I know I have not been as consistent as I should be, and my hair is really, honey, my hair is something else. Okay, I've been so busy at work, and I haven't really been washing my hair as I'm supposed to, and I haven't really taken care of my hair. So to not talk very much, in today's video I am going to be going back to my old permed hair days, and I will be using roller sets. Okay, so ever since I became natural I have not tried these, but I really want to try them. And today also, for the first time, I am going to be trying this detangling brush, which I got from Amazon, and I hope it works for my hair. Okay, so we'll try it today too in this video, and then I'll give you my opinion on it. So now to the main highlight of the video. Today I'm going to be trying a new brand. This video is not sponsored, but I've always wanted to try this brand. So today I will be trying, drumroll, today I will be trying Carol's Daughter hair products. Okay, I've heard so much good things about these hair products, but I have never tried it myself, and today I wanted to show you. I created a poll on my stories and asked if you guys wanted, if my followers wanted a review on these products, and yes, majority of them, over 80% of them, wanted a review. So here we are. Okay, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned and do not go anywhere. To shampoo my hair, I'm going to be using the Black Vanilla Luscious Moisture Shampoo. Now this shampoo is almost like gel-like. I love the smell, and I also love the fact that it actually lathers very easily and quickly. You can see that I only applied a small amount to my hair, and I only had a little amount of water in my hair, but my hair lathered easily. One thing I want you to be aware of is that this shampoo actually did not strip my hair too much, but I got a really good cleanse, and I really loved using this shampoo for my hair. After shampooing, I'm going to follow up with the Coco Cream conditioner. This conditioner, y'all, I love it. It's very slippery, and at the same time, just a little bit amount goes a long way. You can see that I always finger detangle before I'll go in with my brush to brush through. Now this is my first time trying this brush, and my honest opinion on it is that every 4C natural, okay, go get your hands on this brush. It made detangling so easy, and oh my god, I love it. I love it. It was easy to use, and it made my detangling so easy and simple. And also I noticed that my hair didn't shed a lot when I used this detangling brush, so I highly recommend it. I'm gonna link it down in my bio. I think I got a set for under 10 bucks. I'll link it down. But can you see how easy this brush makes detangling for me? I love it. That's all I'm gonna say. I really genuinely love it, and I highly recommend it for all my 4C sisters. Okay, now after I condition, as I always say, make sure to massage your scalp. It helps to increase blood flow, and it helps for the overall to support hair growth. So after massaging, I make sure to put on my plastic bag, and then I'm going to apply heat to my hair for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse out my conditioner. After rinsing out my conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner. Now, one tip that I've been using that has really helped me is I always make sure that I add my leave-in conditioner when my hair is soaking wet, okay? Now, I have found this to be the best method for me to retain moisture in my hair. So a lot of the times I would apply my leave-in right after rinsing out my conditioner in the shower. But since I am demonstrating this for you guys, even though my hair is soaking wet and is dripping all over me, that's okay. I just want to demonstrate that when you apply your leave-in conditioner into your hair when your hair is soaking wet, your hair actually stays moisturized longer than if you allow the hair to be a little dry before you apply your leave-in conditioner. So after applying my leave-in, I just allowed my leave-in to sit in my hair with my wet hair for about 10 to 15 minutes whilst I went about doing other things, and then I came back to style my hair. Today I am going to be trying roller sets. I have never done this on my natural hair. I only used to do this when I had permed hair, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to try something different. So today we are going to be trying roller sets. I'm going to be using the 2 biggest roller sets that came in a pack. I will also link down this product below. I got it from Amazon. But first, before I apply my product, I'm going to be using my setting spray. I have found that anytime I add setting spray to my hair before I do any type of roller set, my hair actually lasts longer, my curls, and they set beautifully. After applying my setting spray, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Coco Cream hair cream. And then I'm going to use my detangling brush again to comb out to make sure my hair is smooth. And then I will twist out just a little bit of my hair and then roll the length of my hair around the roller and use the enclosure to close it and seal it in. So I don't need no hairpins to hold my hair. I'll repeat this process for the entire sections of my hair. Now at some point I did get tired, my arms hurt, so you would notice that the middle part of my hair, I had large parts and I used bigger roller sets because my arms were hurting and I just wanted to be done. I was just tired. But overall, I really love trying this style and I will definitely try it again. But I want to encourage you guys to also try different styles on your natural hair. I know as for naturals, majority of the time, okay, we think that no hairstyle will come out great on our hair. And that's a myth, okay? I do not agree with it. Yes, our hair is different. Yes, our thickness is different. Yes, our texture is different. But guess what? We are able to achieve all the natural hairstyles that we want to achieve. We just need to perfect our routines. After I finished the process, I actually sat in the dryer for about 30 minutes. So I took down that. I took all the rollers out and I noticed, oh, this one was great. But before I separate, always use oil. It helps reduce frizz and it makes separation easier and it helps your hair to come out just right. So I went on ahead and I separated my curls. I was like, even though my hair did not completely dry, and even though I knew better not to take them out after the first one, I still was like, yeah, I got it. After taking out my hair, I'm going to grab a pick and pick out the roots so my hair looks more fuller, and oh my my, this hair, soft, beautiful, moisturized. Yes, that's me. And I loved using this product and I highly recommend them. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And if you are here and have been here with me, thank you. I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao!